According to the National Association of Realtors, 37% of contracts fall through because of repair issues that sellers could have addressed before listing their property. So here is a public announcement for everyone. If you're thinking of selling this spring, don't let that happen to you. So here's how to let it not happen. 1, meet with your experienced realtor who knows the Charleston, South Carolina areas. Allowing them to do a walkthrough could save you piles of cash. 2, if recommended, schedule a pre-listing inspection. Some realtors actually include that as part of their service. This way, you'll know precisely what needs to be addressed from a functional standpoint. 3, invest in repairing the major systems first, like think about HVAC, plumbing, roofing, foundation, and electrical issues. 4, once your home is in major systems checkout, move to the aesthetics. Here's when your realtor advice is literally gold. And then, without a doubt, always remember there's one room that needs to impress the buyers, and that's the kitchen. 5, if there's time, money, a little energy left, paint what you can and zero in on curb appeal. The good news is getting your home ready to list doesn't have to be costly or overwhelming. It just takes knowing who to ask for help.